Hi, good evening, guys. Welcome to the DB Star Trek YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to take a database backup in SQL Server Management Studio UI method. Now, open the SQL Server Management Studio. Here, the SQL Server Management Studio is opening. Enter your credential to connect. Click on the databases and select the database for which you want to create the backup. Here I am selecting the data project hub. You can take any database of your choice. Click on the tasks, then click backup. You can change the location from here by deleting the path given in the dialog box. Then add, select the path where you want to save the backup. Name the database name. With the BAK extension. Now click on the media option to check the for checking the reliability. You can check the verify backup when finished. Perform checksum before writing to media. Mm. Now click the OK. Your database will be saved. Please click the subscribe button and like to for the more videos.